Emily and
Victoria here.
I have a special guest. Today we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate your trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. Today we have Rachel's request. She requested a ceremony backdrop with the Millie and Audrey collection today, with a budget of $200 to $400. So Victoria is going to tell y'all what we used in this art today.
So the written return florals we used today is 4 Millie Garlands and 2 premium white cherry blossom garlands. I think we used the cherry blossom to kind of emulate that Audrey collection, just because it is very flower forward and all white.
Yes. So we wanted to try to stick with her budget and still give her the look that she was going for, which is why we went with the premium cherry blossom garland in white, because it is cheaper than the Audrey garland. So we came up with this, and we'll put her inspo picture right here. She had 3 different three different types of inspo pictures, so we kind of took all 3 and combined them together, and I think it turned out really good.
Yeah. Each of the Millie garlands are $80, and each premium white cherry blossom garland is $18. So our total came out to just a little bit under what her max was.
400, yes, $356. So yeah, super great deal. You get a lot of florals for the price, and yeah, we love how it turned out. So let's get started. So first we're going to start out with the Audrey garland, and of course, Millie. So the inspo picture, which we'll show you soon, has kind of like a space at the top where the garland and the florals meet. So that is why we're not going to the center of the arch. So Victoria is just going to attach it with zip ties, which is the best thing to use to attach our garland. The Millie garland also is very full. You want to hold this? Okay, so here we have our first garland. As you can see, it's already full. Like, you could stop right here if you wanted to. But we're gonna keep going just because the inspo picture is a little bit more full. We're gonna add another Millie garland to the side of that one, and this one, yes. We're kind of gonna start it a little bit lower, just to kind of give it a gradient look. Like that? Yeah. Exactly like that. And then it helps if you double up zip ties, especially since if you have like a thicker post and garland.
I don't know, step back. Tell me if we might need to attach it.
We may need to attach this one, and then as you so yeah, this is another tip.
As you go, trust the process.
Yes, trust the process, as me and Abby always say, but
there's really no science to it. Like, just do what looks good, you know?
Yeah. All of our stems are wire based, so you can manipulate them and move them how you want. So yeah, I'm thinking we'll start like
you want to do one up there and then have it like kind of fall down.
Like one, and then I think so. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, you want? I'll just.
maybe like find the base of the stem so you're not hugging the flowers.
You can tell them.
SBB tip number 17 out of 1,000. Use your zip ties on the stem base to ensure you're not smashing the florals on the stems.
Yeah.
Just gives it better structural soundness too.
Okay.
Oh, she hit.
Millie is one of the thicker garlands, I would say.
Yeah. Especially stem.
Yeah. So we are like doubling up zip ties here, as you've seen us do like so many times, but it really does help. It's because you can get it a bit longer, and I feel like it kind of gives it a bit more like strength. Yeah, we could do it again. Then connect it at the bottom. And honestly, instead of the Audrey, we might do the cherry blossom. I feel like it'll be like lighter. Yeah. And it'll be cheaper. Cute. That looks
good.
Yeah, that looks really cute. Okay. I think we could do one per.
Just one per.
One per.
You just want to intertwine
Yeah,
in the
I think so.
actual body.
For the cherry blossom, you don't even need to zip tie the whole thing.
I feel like oh yeah, that looks so much better since you touched it. You're just like better at it. I don't know.
Okay, so the end, you see how you have this little end piece? You're gonna wanna like come back or up and like bend it to hide it. What's your favorite garland?
My favorite garland? And I think is Charlotte.
Oh wow,
Hot take. I know.
that is a hot take.
I like how the base of that garland has a very full like bed of the Italian ruscus greenery. And I just think it looks so pretty. Like it looks good as a table runner. If you put it on a arch like this, you can really spread out the Italian ruscus to make it look more full. Is that what you were wanting?
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. Alright, and there you have it, an asymmetrical, lush ceremony arch. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I am loving, come back.
Oh, sorry. You're loving it?
Yeah, I love it. Any tools needed?
4 hands, 2 pairs of hands, and we used a small handful of zip ties. So
Yeah, that's it.
very minimal tools.
And the arch is ours, and we bought it from somewhere. But
is it linked on our Amazon?
we have a similar arch linked on our Amazon storefront, so be sure to check that out. We have all the tools and things that we use to recreate everything that we do here. But yeah,
this is a high impact piece.
yeah, so
it is. It's gorgeous.
And you can move this behind your sweetheart table, like after.
Yeah. Or
So-
even the entry into your like reception space.
You can have.
I
you
think
can
that
do
would
so
be
many things with
insane.
this.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want us to recreate your own Pinterest pin, be sure to fill the form out in the description, and we'll be happy to look at all the requests, and maybe we'll choose yours next.
Maybe.
Yeah. So come back. She keeps running
we're
away.
done.
So if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
Or email.
Or email us. Victoria is the wonderful person behind all of the emails. So yeah, let us know what you want to see next, and yeah. Alright, good job. Bye. See you next time.
Bye.